Hello everyone, welcome to Everest Online Academy. आज हामी यो भिडियोमा 2079 बागमती प्रदेशमा सोधिएको यो ग्रामरको क्वेशन सल्भ गर्छौं है त. Okay, let's get started. Human body is a model many seen and unseen organs and elements. So is a model of many seen, unseen and unseen organ elements. मैले सिधै तल गएँ है. All of the organs show the personality of the person, but eye is the most important thing to bear. But an eye is the most important thing to bear. I think the eyes are mirror of the person. I think. So यहाँ think भयो. So your present tense ma cha I think the eyes are mirror of a person. One of the reflections of personality is position of eyes. The eyes अब के छ हुन्छ? In understanding the condition of a person, the eyes can be studied भनेर भयो है. passive मा छ can be studied in understanding the condition of a person. Many people don't notice about it. Negative statement, positive tag. Many people don't notice about it. Do they? Movements of eyes makes us able to read the mood of a person. If the person is angry, conditional sentence. His eyes look different. So you say first conditional sentence भयो simple present. Experts say that eyes the internal feeling. So यहाँ हेर्नुस् है, यो चाहिँ इन्डाइरेक्ट स्पीच छ. हाम्रो रिपोर्टिङ वर्ब प्रेजेन्ट टेन्समा छ भनेदेखि हामीले रिपोर्टिङ स्पीच पनि प्रेजेन्ट टेन्समै लेख्छौं, केही चेन्ज हुँदैन. So experts say that eyes show the internal feeling. Therefore eyes should be kept fair and small. Smart eyes get people the reality of a person. Smart eyes get people to know the reality of a person. यो चाहिँ लास्ट को पोजिटिभ वर्ब भयो है. यसरी यहाँ सबै पार्ट अफ ग्रामरबाट सोध्छ. तपाईहरुले सबै ग्रामरहरु राम्रोसँग हेर्नु पर्यो है त. ओके गाइज, यसरी हामीले सबै पास्ट क्वेशनहरु गरेका छौं. हजुरहरुले पनि सबै भिडियोजहरु हेर्नु होला. Okay, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.